No fleet manager wakes up thinking, "Today I'm going to lose money because of vehicle washing." But that's exactly how it happens. Not through one big mistake, but through hundreds of small problems repeated every single day. Managing a transport fleet isn't about solving one major problem each month. It's about controlling hundreds of small details every single day before they become expensive. Most fleet managers focus on schedules, fuel consumption, vehicle availability, maintenance planning, driver performance, and customer satisfaction. These are all critical responsibilities. But hidden behind these priorities are routine processes that quietly affect the efficiency of the entire operation. Vehicle washing is one of them. It rarely appears in management meetings, yet it influences daily productivity more than many people realize. A delayed wash means a delayed inspection. A delayed inspection affects maintenance schedules. Maintenance delays can impact dispatch planning. Before long, one small interruption has created a chain reaction across the depot. The issue isn't simply about cleaning vehicles, it's about operational consistency. Manual washing often depends on staffing levels, weather conditions, individual working methods, and time pressure. Some days everything runs smoothly. Other days, the same process takes much longer without anyone understanding why. These inconsistencies make planning more difficult and gradually reduce operational efficiency. Successful fleet managers understand that the goal isn't to work harder every day, it's to eliminate unnecessary variables. That's why many leading transport companies invest in standardized systems wherever possible. Automation doesn't just save time, it creates predictable workflows. Every vehicle follows the same process. Every cleaning cycle meets the same standard. Every department benefits from greater reliability because fewer unexpected delays occur. At Go&Go, we believe the best operational improvements are often the ones nobody notices because everything simply works as expected. A reliable washing system becomes part of the daily rhythm of the depot, supporting maintenance teams, dispatch coordinators, drivers, and management alike. Instead of reacting to recurring problems, businesses gain the confidence to focus on growth, customer service, and long-term planning. Operational excellence isn't built through dramatic changes overnight. It's built by improving the small processes repeated hundreds of times every year. And sometimes, the smallest improvement creates the biggest impact across the entire business. What small daily process is quietly slowing down your operation today? If vehicle washing is becoming one of them, now is the time to rethink your workflow. Contact Go&Go and discover how an automated bus wash system can help your depot operate with greater consistency, efficiency, and confidence every single day.